This video is about level 6 intervals, page 8. Previously, I made one video already about this. How do you get this? And how do you make the table of interval that looks like that? So if you have not seen this video yet, you have to go back and see that, okay? So once you see the first video, and this is going to be the second video, they're giving you some of the example that in your book, okay? So this is level 6, page 8. At the second line, I want you to cross out that one because we're not going to do that one. And I'm going to do this one whole line together with you so that you can get an idea how to do this, okay? All right, so I'm going to go grab a pen. Okay, so first thing first, in order to do the interval, we have to identify the name of the note. Okay, so start from the bottom and go up. The name of the note, the lower note is D. I'm going to write D. The higher note is B double flat. So I'm going to write B double flat. Okay, so from D to B is how many letters? D, E, F, G, A, and then B, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is total 6. So first you write the number 6, then you decide what goes before the number 6. Okay, so you can have how many choices according to our note over here. You should have this note already. If your number is 6, you should have 4 different choices. Is it diminished? Is it minor? Is it major? Or is it augmented? Okay, so what we need to do is we need to count the half step on the piano. So we're going to start from D. We're going to end up in B double flat. Okay, so we know this is D. Now the problem with B double flat is this is B, this is B flat, this is B double flat. So we're going to count from here to here. How many half step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if it is 7 half step, we're going to go to the 7 half step. You have two choices, perfect 5 or diminished 6. Since you already write a number 6 here, so your answer is diminished 6. Always start from the number first, okay? All right, then your lower note here is E flat. Your higher note is B flat. Then you need to count how many numbers. So E, F, G, A, and then B. So total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can use your finger. E, F, G, A, B. So 5. The answer is 5 here. Okay. When your answer is 5, you have 3 choices. Diminished 5, perfect 5, and augmented 5. Okay. So we're going to look at E flat to B flat. E flat here, B flat here. Okay, so how many half step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 half step again. So 7 half step, 2 choices. Perfect 5 or diminished 6. So in this case, we're going to pick perfect 5 because you already have a 5 over there. Okay, all right, next example is B and then C. Okay, so in this case, it's only 2. B immediately is C, right? So you start from B. You can also use your finger B and then C. So 2 only, okay? Then you go to piano. You count from B to C is how many half step? From here to here is 1 half step. So if you have something that's 1 half step, you only have 1 choice, which is a minor 2. So you can write a tiny little m that is even smaller than your 2. And with round as well. Make sure this part is round. Okay, next question. That one is G flat. I'm going to write G flat. That one is B. Then how many steps from G flat to B? So G flat, next note is A. Oh, then B immediately, right? So if you start from G, use your finger. G, A, B. The answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you have 3, your choices are diminished 3, minor 3, major 3, or augmented 3. How do you know that? You need to count the half step. So you're going to start from G flat. This is G. This is G flat. Go to B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 half step. So go to 5 half step, 3, augmented 3, not the perfect 4, because you already have a 3 here. So the answer is augmented 3. Okay, next one, your lower note is F sharp. Always start from the lower note. You don't want to start from the higher note. To B. From the lower note to the higher note. Okay, F sharp to B. So F sharp, G, A, B. Looks like it's a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So F, G, A, B. So 4. Okay, so if it's a 4, your choices are diminished, perfect, or augmented. So you need to count the half step from this F sharp to B. F sharp is here, B is here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 half step again. So 5 half step, the answer is perfect 4. I think those two is the same. 5 half step here, right? If you count the 5 half step. 5 half step. And those two are the same. This is 7 half step and this is 7 half step. But then, although the half step is the same, your ending answer is not the same. Okay? Alright, here comes our last example, and you're going to do the rest all by yourself. Okay? Lower note is D. Higher note is B. How many? D, E, F, G, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. What kind of 6? We're going to look, okay? So what kind of 6? Start from D, count to B. Now we're counting a half step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 half step. With a 6 is major 6, not the diminished 7. So make sure your major is big enough and pointy. Big and pointy. Minor is small and round. Okay? Thank you.